Weldon School is a kindergarten to grade 8 school located in the small town Bienfait, Saskatchewan. We have approximately 114 students, which allows us to have a tight-knit school community.
What if it's too tough? What if you're just too young? What if you aren't good enough?
My favorite thing about Weldon School is the nice teachers and the students and having fun every day.
Weldon staff are committed to creating a positive environment and instilling the 7 sacred teachings in our students, which is a value system that focuses on courage, love, respect, wisdom, truth, humility, and honesty.
Wisdom doesn't always stand for just being smart. As you get older, they tell us that we get wiser. And in the communities, on the Aboriginal communities, elders, people go to them because they respect them, because they have lots of information and they have the teachings and they can help.
The breakfast program at Weldon School provides students with a healthy start to the day and relies completely on parent and community volunteers and donations to operate. It is a part of our school that we believe adds value to the students' day. It gives the students a chance to socialize before school begins, as well as a nutritious meal to start the day.
So the money for the breakfast program comes from grants and our Uncle Fields. They help sponsor all the breakfasts.
My favorite food at the breakfast program is cereal.
We are extremely proud and grateful for the School Community Council and volunteer program that serves our school. Our SEC is completely volunteer-based and aids to our happy and healthy learning environment by utilizing the caring power of our community. The parents and community of Bienfait are an integral part of our school.
So we're really trying to bring the community back into the school and building those community relationships again. So.
From fundraisers to hot lunches, our SCC is constantly going above and beyond to provide students with opportunities, add to or upgrade our facilities, and create memorable moments that are shared as a school. I love coaching at Weldon School. I get to see the kids in a different light, and the biggest bonus is the gold medals.
Our coaches have been coaching basketball and volleyball and badminton for so long.
Just as long as she's busy she's got lots of stuff and principal work to do, and she's got a busy life too, and she has time to do stuff with us and always figure out a way to get people to games with them on rides. And
from spirit assemblies, digger awards, and extracurricular activities, Weldon staff strive to make our students' school experience a great one each and every day, offering as many opportunities as possible for connection, and we couldn't do it without the support of the community of Bienfait.
When you receive a digger award, it's like you're winning and it's really cool and I like it.
So we have D is for doing your job,